Once upon a time, in a vast sunny savanna, lived a little girl named Lily. One day, while playing near tall grass, she heard a soft, sad sound. Following it, she found a huge lion, its face wrinkled in pain. A sharp thorn was stuck in its giant paw. Lily was a bit scared, but she saw the lion's gentle eyes and knew it needed help. Carefully, she knelt down and, with a brave heart, slowly pulled the thorn out. The lion let out a sigh of relief, then gently nudged its head against her hand. A rumbling purr starting deep in its chest that from that day on, Lily and the lion became the best of friends. The other animals in the savannah watched in amazement as the powerful lion would wait for Lily, and she would share her laughter and stories with him. Their extraordinary friendship taught everyone that kindness can connect, even the most unlikely of pairs, proving that true friendship is boundless.